Welcome to a new episode of Crypto Tips. We are on location with some amazing paragliding action happening. So enjoy that. Good friend Martin Shrink. Amazing paraglider, speed flyer, surfer, all around cool guy, base jumper, squirrel, wingsuiter, everything. Okay. Anyway, so we have information. That's the topic of today's video, is basically where is information coming from and how should you judge it. We have information coming from Jamie Dimon, Charlie Munger, who else? Ray Dalio. And also we have information coming from a new, very popular AI bot that is going crazy. And people think it is the easiest thing in the world for them to use, but what are you actually getting from that application? So if you guys are enjoying these updates, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, because you can't beat this view, right? But first, before we get into all of that, we have to go over this tweet from Rect Capital. You guys love a good price prediction, right? Or at least, what is the market going to be doing next? They're saying, I'm just going to read it for you. Historically, for those of you who care about the history of Bitcoin, price of Bitcoin, the month before the BTC macro downtrend breakout tends to be slow. If history repeats, there's a chance February won't be exciting for Bitcoin, but March could be, as macro downtrend would be tested. March could be the macro downtrend breakout of the month. Hashtag crypto, hashtag Bitcoin. March could be when we have confirmed a macro downtrend, aka the bear market, to be reversed, broken, higher lows. We're looking for that. And so for those of you who've been dollar cost averaging, no sweat off your back. It's going to be great when you can finally see profits again. I know bear markets test your patience, but don't worry. In other ridiculous news, the Department of Justice is investigating an NFT company, Squiggles NFT project, and they're using social media posts as evidence. This is how our world is progressing, you guys. Don't be careful what you post online. It's there forever. Speaking of what you post online, ChatGPT has gained 100 million users within 2 months. One of the most popular new applications now being adopted. It's AI. It's information being fed to you based on what the AI is collecting over the internet. Who is screening this information being given to you? What is being skewed? What have you asked ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments down below if you had any interesting questions and, more importantly, interesting answers. Let us know in the comments. So, what I was saying before, Ray Dalio, Charlie Munger, who I think is trying to say crypto should be banned, and also Jamie Dimon. This is from James Lavish on Twitter. He's saying, these people make vast fortunes off the backside of manipulated sovereign currencies. Don't ever expect them to support a system that levels the playing field. The refs are in their pockets, and they are all wearing jerseys sponsored by fiat. But you know what they're going to try to do? They're going to try to manipulate crypto and the price of Bitcoin as best they can in the meantime, using their clout in the public image, right? 1 minute Jamie Dimon is saying Bitcoin's a Ponzi scheme. Next minute he's saying, yeah, maybe crypto has a future. Ray Dalio is also flip-flopping classically. These guys are trying to manipulate the price because they want to buy low and they want to sell high. So that's why you do the opposite of whatever these guys are saying. The bear market is wrapping up and these guys want to keep it low as long as possible so they can dollar cost average as long as possible as well. Got to have that long-term outlook, because the fact that these guys are continually year after year after year talking about Bitcoin, it isn't going anywhere. That's going to wrap it up for today's episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hit like for the amazing athlete that we have here in the background. And if that doesn't impress you, maybe the view does, which I think they're both pretty cool. Anyway, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Go, Martin. Woo!
One day. So Toby and I we're taking lessons to be like Martin, and we flew from this spot, and it's 1,200 meters. 120 meters. 120 meters. Maybe it felt like 1,200, but it's been great. So,
guys are the best in the world, right?
Really cool to learn new things. All right.